In Module 8, we're going to study employee-employer relationships. As your business grows, you can't be everywhere at once. You're going to have employees and agents and people to work for you. So what we're going to look at in this module are the laws relating to employment relations. There's a lot of regulations we have to look at. Discrimination laws, harassment. You have to make reasonable accommodations under the Americans with Disabilities Act. There are wage and hour rules that you must comply with. But in addition to that, I want you to reflect on how the culture of your business will affect employee productivity and your bottom line. Now, what do I mean by culture? Well, do you have a business where your employees feel welcome, that they feel appreciated, that they feel it's a safe place, that they won't be discriminated against, that if there are problems that you will be there to help them? How will that affect their willingness to work harder to make sure that they're having the business's best interest in mind and things of that nature? So I want you to look at that. And in the discussion, I did not add an extra question at the end. This time, make sure that you have really good replies and fully participate in the discussion, because the top 10% of the posters, people doing meaningful discussions, interacting with other students, will receive up to 10 extra credit points.